Make a great choice today with the 2020 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, remote engine start, rain sensing wipers, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.